ਰਾਫੇਲ ਲੜਾਕੂ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਜਲਦ ਹੀ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਹਵਾਈ ਫੌਜ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਇੰਡੀਅਨ 에ਅਰ ਫੋਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਾਈਸ ਚੀਫ 에ਅਰ ਮਾਰਸ਼ਲ ਰਾਕੇਸ਼ ਕੁਮਾਰ ਭਦੌਰੀਆ ਨੇ ਫਰਾਂਸ 'ਚ ਰਾਫੇਲ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਦੀ ਉਡਾਨ ਭਰੀ। ਉਡਾਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 에ਅਰ ਮਾਰਸ਼ਲ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਰਾਫੇਲ ਜਹਾਜ਼ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਰਣਨੀਤਿਕ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਬੇहद ਅਹਿਮ ਹੋਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ। ਇੰਡੀਅਨ 에ਅਰ ਫੋਰਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਰਾਫੇਲ ਗੇਮ ਚੇਂਜਰ ਸਾਬਿਤ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ।
Rafale will bring a lot of capability into the Air Force. If you look at our operational capability jump, it will be huge with this induction. We must realize that it is not only the 36 aircraft which gets inducted. When we fly such missions, we always have a force packaging philosophy, and from that angle, the overall package, the strength that it gets with the aircraft capability like this is very huge. So our operational philosophy wise, we will plan to do new things in terms of what technologies this aircraft has brought in, the kind of weapons this aircraft has brought in. It will again be a game changer for the Indian Air Force from both our planning perspective, from the point of view of doing our offensive missions, and from point of view of planning the kind of war we want to conduct in the coming years. What is more important is not to compare one-on-one as to whether Rafale is better, who won the fight in the combat. The initial part of 1 versus 1 and 2 versus 1 just to build up and for the pilots to understand each other's capability. And it is the large force engagement which is the primary focus of this exercise. From our perspective, it is important to know how we can utilize Rafale and Su-30 to complement each other, how we can force packages, how we can overall operationally utilize such a potent element in the force. And from that angle, I think it was a very, very good experience, and we will have many lessons to take home in terms of how best to utilize Rafale once it's inducted into our Air Force, and how best the combination can be with Su-30 fleet, which is another potent and very important fleet in our Air Force.